Hi, I'm going to show you how to use packages in an HPC environment on the Bianca HPC cluster. And this is part of the course Using Python in an HPC environment day 2. And the goal of this session is to do this, that you can find and load if a Python package module is installed, and then determine if it is installed. So Python packages are important because it's code that's written and debugged by others. So you want to use this. I prefer doing so over writing your own code. Probably as a scientist this is not a big problem because you're probably using a method that's published already and you'll be using the same method. That is a Python package. In an HPC environment we have so-called software modules. And software modules allow us to run software of any version we want, or some of the activated or some of the versions present at that HPC cluster. And these are important because in that way we can always activate our favorite versions of our software. And also, being explicit in our versioning, it helps us assure reproducible research. So we're going to do this for the Bianca HPC cluster, and let's see what we're going to do on the Bianca HPC cluster. Well, we need to, there's only one exercise here, using Python packages. We're going to log into Bianca. We're going to load a Python module of this version. Sure, we can do that. We confirm that a Python package is installed or absent. So TensorFlow, that's what we're going to look for. It should be absent. We probably need to load a module to get it to be activated. And TensorFlow, not the tool, but the Python package. That's what we're going to load here. Then we're going to find out how to load this software module with the package in it. And for that we use the documentation or maybe use the module system. Let's see what's easiest. We're going to load the software module with the hopes that our Python package is now present. And we're going to confirm that it's present, and then we're done. So that's the exercise. We're gonna do it. So log into your HPC cluster. Well, I've already done this. I'm gonna move this text to the left, and at the right I have Bianca there. And on Bianca we're gonna load the Python module of the version below. So this is 3.12.7. We have done this before, so it can be found at day 1. Which is the previous day. Instead, I'll be checking out the answer given here to make sure it's correct. So here we're going to load 3.12.7. Is that correct? 3.12.7. Yes. I'm going to do this on Bianca. Let's see what happens. But I predict that now the correct Python version is loaded. Yes, it is. It worked. So now we're going to confirm that this Python package is absent in our list of Python packages. To do so, we're going to use pip list. Let's take a look at the answers. Here, pip list, it works the same on all HPC clusters. So we're going to do pip list, and we're going to see if this thing is there. Pip list. Let's see how big of a list we get at all. Some HPC clusters have very short, minimal lists of Python packages installed. Some are longer. Let's see what's coming up here. While this is loading, we're gonna so we expect it not to be present, else this whole exercise would not be useful. Now we're going to find the software module. While this is loading, we're going to find the software module tool. There it is. Let's take a step back. We're going to look for TensorFlow. Is it there somewhere? There, it's not there. So TensorFlow at the moment is absent. That's now confirmed, and let's find how to load this. So to do this, I'm going to search the documentation for the Python package called TensorFlow on Bianca. So we're going to type Bianca upmax TensorFlow Python, something like this. Let's see what happens. And here you see Bianca documentation. Here you see TensorFlow. Let's click on this one. This is the UpMax documentation about TensorFlow. Ooh! Yeah, we're going to use this one. TensorFlow is a Python package for CPU. And to do that, we need to load this. For example, this. So we're going to do module load and then that. Well, module load that. This is the answer given by the documentation. Let's go back to the exercise. I believe this will work. We found where it was documented. And now I'm going to load it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this works. Because I think there will be one versioning problem. Load the software module. Let's take a look what the documentation says. Yeah, you will be asked to do module unload Python first. So we'll get an error here. And then we're going to do module unload Python. And that's because the packages of the machine learning package, so ML here is machine learning, they used a different version of Python, so we are gonna use a different version of Python. The old version needs to go. So let's take a look where this is going, how long this takes. And then we're going to use to see if the package is present, using pip list again. But let's wait for this to finish. Where we are, so yeah, there is the error. The following modules are unknown. So in this case, maybe we need to do module spider, Python ML packages. Then we can see which packages there are, and I see that we need to use this version because this is installed. Then I'm going to do module load that version. Didn't we just do this? No, it means on Bianca there's an older version. Yeah, now it says, hey dear user, please do unload Python. Sure, module unload Python. Now we're going to load this version again. And now we can finally see if our package is present. So it's a TensorFlow package. Yeah, that is again pip list. And we know that this took a bit of time, so I'm going to just patiently wait for it. On the other hand, we are done with this exercise. So I've just showed you, while this is thing, I've showed you how to use Python packages in an HPC environment. In this case, the Bianca HPC clusters. Python packages are important because, well, you don't need to write code. And let's take a look if we have TensorFlow here. That would solve the last exercise. Yes, it is here. So that means I'm done in explaining how to use Python packages in an HPC environment. And with that, I wish you a very good day. Bye!